Welcome, and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Ananya Bhatia with your hedge fund headlines. Today's Tuesday, December 8th, 2009. Managed futures firm Crabel Capital Management has named Citi as fund administrator. According to Hedge Funds Review, Citi will offer independent fund administration services, including portfolio accounting, daily profit and loss, as well as weekly and monthly net asset value calculation. Citi, which has been expanding its operational support services for hedge funds, will boast Milwaukee-based Crabel's operating efficiency, minimize risk, and will help control costs. In addition to fund administration and accounting, Citi's back-office services for hedge funds include collateral management, cash management, and risk reporting products. Brevan Howard Asset Management has limited the inflow of money into 3 funds. According to Bloomberg, the hedge fund firm closed its $2 billion Asia Fund and $2.5 billion Emerging Market Strategies Fund to new investors as of November 1st. The London firm may also close the $21.3 billion Master Fund, whose assets are almost reaching last year's peak. The fund's closure comes as clients' assets approach last year's high, raising concern that the fund was getting too big to run efficiently. And in more hedge fund news, Lone Star Fund's 2 distressed vehicles have raised over $1.2 billion. According to Bloomberg, the Lone Star Fund 7 has secured almost $500 million, while the Lone Star Real Estate Fund 2 has received $725 million. The Dallas-based investment firm is looking to raise around $20 billion for the 2 funds. Lone Star Fund 7 will invest in distressed financial institutions, collateralized debt obligations, residential mortgage-backed securities, corporate debt, and consumer loans. Lone Star Real Estate Fund 2 will make commitments to assets, including commercial mortgage-backed securities and distressed commercial real estate. And Shanks Group has secured a £535 million unsolicited takeover bid from the Carlyle Group. According to Financial Times, legal and general owner of a 12% stake in Shanks supported the Carlyle takeover offer. Carlyle has proposed to pay 135 pence for each Shanks share. Shanks will be the United Kingdom's 3rd waste management group to go into private equity hands if Carlyle is successful in its pursuit. Merrill Lynch is advising Carlyle over the deal, and Greenhill is advising the Shanks board. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge funds channel online and read the full stories and latest developments.